Welcome to day 64 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 63, please go back and watch them. We went over so much. So make sure you guys go back and watch them. It's 75 days total of things that we're going to do to increase your credit scores. The goal is to actually get over the 700. So make sure you guys are actually following along. Every single day I made a video telling you exactly what you need to do. And if you follow those days, be like, okay, let me remember this. Let me actually take action and do this, do that. I'm telling you everything you need to do. You're going to be good. Like you should be good if you're taking action. I don't care how much you watch me, you all. If I'm saying, oh, you can get your credit scores over the 700s, if y'all not taking action, honestly, y'all just not going to get there. We're just going to be honest, okay? Y'all just not going to get there. If you guys have not gotten your 4-book bundle, please make sure you guys get your 4-book bundle. It's going to include the book that we're doing right now, which is Strong in 75. You're also going to get the Raise Your Credit Score 100 points in 30 days, Suing to Win, and then also the Credit Cleanup Blueprint, which is 70 dispute letters. I also have one where you'll get these same books, but you can also get the bankruptcy one. So I do have that one if you guys have a bankruptcy. All right, so today is day 64. So it talks about why income, it basically doesn't affect your credit score. Okay, it matters, but it doesn't really affect your credit score. So when it comes down to income, you guys, some people think, oh, if I have my income high, I'm going to automatically have a, high credit score. And it's like, no, it's not like that. Or if your income is low, you cannot have a high credit score. When it comes down to income, you guys, just think about it. If you got more money coming in, it's going to be easier to keep your utilization at 10% or less. Like, it is what it is. It's going to be easier to make sure that you don't have any late payments because you can easily pay the minimum. You probably easily can pay off the full balance. Income, just because you have like certain income, they consider that in terms of, oh, you can take on a loan of this amount, but not just, oh, you make 200,000 a year, 800 credit score. That's not how it works. You actually have to take action to make sure that you have your 4 credit cards, you're paying them on time, you're keeping your utilization low. It's things that you have to do, but don't just think just because you got a lot of income that you're gonna have a good credit score, because you have to keep your utilization low. You have to make sure that you don't have any late payments. So when you think income, just think, oh, since I got a good income, I can always keep my balance low. I don't always just have to use my credit cards either. I have other ways. I got just straight cash I can use. Always think of it that way. And when you don't have the income, but you have the credit, think about how much that's going to drain you. It's going to drain you because you're unable to pay certain bills. You're unable to pay your full statement balance. Maybe you use too much on your credit cards. Now you're like, I can't pay my full bill off every month. How are y'all doing that? Income. Okay, so sometimes you'll think, oh, something's going on with my credit. No, it's probably just your income. Seriously, it's probably just your income. But day 64 is not to like say that you cannot have a high credit score or like income does not matter. What you do with your income is the most important part. And just make sure that you're keeping your expenses low too, so that you can easily pay the minimum balance on all your bills. Like that's basic. You cannot, like, you have to pay the minimum. But if you find that your income is not up to par, that can be the biggest reason why your credit score is low. Because if you had the income, you could easily pay off those bills, okay? So again, make sure you guys get a copy of my 4-book bundle. I'll make sure I pin it down below so you guys can get a copy of it. And don't forget, you guys have an option to get 6 months of dispute letters done for you. So if you guys want the 6 months of dispute letters, I'll make sure you guys get that information also. And you have that free course. You guys have the free course that come along with this book. So make sure that you take full advantage. I'll see you guys for day 65.